Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about using the else-if statement in JavaScript. The else-if statement is used in situations where there are multiple conditions to check in a comparison. For example, I have a list of everyone's age in my class. Toyin is 22 years old, Emeka is 24 years old, and Toby is 16 years old. And Hassan is 16 years old. If I want to check the age of everyone here in the list, you'll see that the regular if and else statements cannot work this out because an if-else statement has only two possible outcomes when comparing. And in case you are confused when I say if-else, I mean the regular if statement we have talked about, where if A is not equal B, we say else give us C. But the else if statement makes it possible for us to have multiple outcomes. So let's set a variable called age with a value of Hassan's age, which is 16 for now. So let's say var age is equal to 16. And we say if age is equal to 22, console.log this is Toyin's age. Else if age is equal to 16, console.log this is Hassan's age. Else if age is equal to 24, console.log this is Emeka's age. Then we'll have an else statement, else console.log invalid input. What's that? Invalid input. Now let me explain what we have here. As you can see, we are able to have more than two possible outcomes, and as we change the value of age, the outcome changes. So what we have here is if the age is 22, return this is Toyin's age for us. Else if the age is 16, return Hassan's age for us. Else if the age is 24, return this is Emeka's age for us. Else return invalid input. So I want to point out something before we head back to the next video. If you notice, while I was writing our return values here, when I put the apostrophe here, it gives me an error here, and that's because in JavaScript, wherever the quotation mark stops, anything after that is not going to be part of the string anymore. So to make it possible for me to use this apostrophe here, I'll make this double quotation, and I'll clean this, make this double quotation. So when I have a double quotation mark here and a double quotation mark here, and there's a single quotation mark here in the middle, JavaScript is not going to see it as the end of the string. So we can do that here also. Let's say this is Hassan's age, instead of making it seem like it's a plural Hassan, we have this is Emeka's age. So if we run our code now, as you can see, we have this is Hassan's age. If I change this to something that's not in our code, you see invalid input is being returned. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.